Investing can be a great way to build wealth and secure your financial future. But if you're new to investing, it can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll share some basic investment tips to help you get started. Tip number 1, start with a plan. Before you invest any money, you need to have a plan in place. Decide what your investment goals are and how much risk you're willing to take. You should also consider how long you want to invest your money for. Tip number 2, diversify your portfolio. It's important to spread your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to reduce your risk and can provide more stable returns over time. Tip number 3, do your research. Before you invest in any asset, it's important to do your due diligence. Research the company, the industry, and any potential risks or challenges that may affect your investment. Tip number 4, invest for the long term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time for your investments to grow and for compound interest to work its magic. So, be patient and invest for the long term. Tip number 5, monitor your investments. It's important to keep track of how your investments are performing and to make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track with your investment goals. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's important to approach it with a solid plan and a long-term perspective. By following these basic investment tips, you can be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.